All right. This is an interesting topic because ever since I was 3 years old, I played basketball, okay? It was a sport that I dearly loved. It was a sport that I was very good at, but there's a lot of people out there who won't stick with that one thing for years and years. This is called shiny object syndrome, okay? When you see all these people online running ads and you see them, showing you new programs, new sources of income, new opportunities, and just new ways for them to reach inside your wallet, you get this shiny object syndrome where you go from one thing and then you go to the pendulum of like, okay, like, this is exciting, this is unique, and then you get to the part where you're like, it's too hard, I can't do it, okay? And then you go in this circle of like, okay, cool, that didn't really work out, that was too hard, what's the next thing? So it's like affiliate marketing, and then you go through the process of, oh my God, it's so cool, I'm gaining information, it's unique, and then you go to the, oh shit, this is hard, this requires work, okay, Shopify dropshipping. Then you're up here, and then you go to, oh my God, this is exciting, and then you're like, oh my God, this is harder than I thought, and then you're going up to like social media marketing agency, and you're trying all these different things out. The reason why basketball players, NFL players, professional athletes are professionals and they get paid top dollars because they stick with that one thing for years on end, okay? They don't try 25 million things. They try one thing, they go all in on one thing. Same with me. When I first started, I was doing ads. I loved ads. I loved having the ability to see people click a link and buy something. Like, that brought a lot of energy to me. I didn't start doing copywriting. I didn't start doing, email marketing. I stuck with ads because that one thing that I knew that if I tripled down on would get me to this place in my life where now I have a successful business, I can travel, I can do the things that I want, and I don't have shiny object syndrome where I'm like, oh my God, let's do Shopify dropshipping, let's do all this other bullshit that everyone is trying to, market. And that's why these people who are selling you Shopify dropshipping and affiliate marketing, and then there's like Amazon FBA, and then there's SMMA with Ty Lopez, and then there's sales closing with Grant Cardone. Like, there's so many different things out there in the world. Stick with one thing that makes you happy, and I guarantee you the results that you will get will be the ones that you've wanted from the beginning. But stop getting sucked into this shiny object syndrome of, oh, here's the next thing, the new thing. The new thing is get to work on what you decided to stick to from the very beginning, and you will get the results that you want.